What's up, MiJulsz? Happy Friday. So today Toussy and I are having a sleepover at our friend's house. I'm so excited. They're married. We're gonna have a good little time. But yeah, I just thought I'll check in to say what's up. I hope you're all having a fantastic Friday. So today at work, today at work I was serving a customer, and when I was serving the customer, all I could think about was, girl, that's why I'm dunking about a water with some baking soda and lime juice. You smell bad, you smell really bad, but you know you gotta keep it professional. So I was like serving her like, is there anything else you need today? No ma'am? Okay ma'am, keep it going. I'm joking, I didn't say that really and truly, you know, us British don't use the word ma'am. But no man, she did smell bad, like terrible bad, you know. So yeah, I'm just here waiting to get picked up by Anaska's husband. Yes, Toussy is with him. Toussy met them hours ago. I finished work late. Well, not late, but I finished work. Yes, as Mem was saying. Just waiting to get this night started, really and truly, you know. Got my little tripod saying that it's gonna be lit up in here. Yes ma'am. But no man, she did rank. Like she didn't even smell rank. She just smells like she want beard, like she don't know how to scrub her body. And I was thinking, girl, you look too pretty if it smells so bad. The girl pretty, you know, she pretty up here, but the girl smell bad, like proper bad. So I'm looking out for the car, that's why my eyes are just like going left, right and center. But she did smell too bad, man. Is that them? Oh, there they are. There's my baby. Easter. Listen.
Yes.
Say hi to the Julz.
Hi Julz. MiJulsz has 5 suitcases.
That's such a lie. Hey Elijah, how you doing? Eh? Hey, how you doing?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Let me take off this handbag. Thank you.
Yeah.
Baby, you have to.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby, you have to go put up your chair, Bubba.
Pull it. Yeah, from there.
People just long, sir. Okay. Let's get the night started.
Me have to go pick up when them there. Bed pump, yeah.
Bed pump, okay.
Cheers, babes.
Cheers, babes. Oh, Corona. Cheers. Corona. Cheers.
Elijah, buy me Corona, babes.
Hmm?
Yeah, he just wanted something quick.
Okay. Ooh. Well, MiJulsz, I'll catch you later because it's a bit dark in here. Can't really see much, you know?
Sorry. I forgot this route.
Okay. So when I see my baby Alaska.
Every time we go to the hotel,
we
have about 2-3 bags.
Is it?
And guess what? We hardly use anything out of the rest of the tea. She packed them just in case.
Yes, you have to.
Just in case.
You have to pack the just in case.
We have one suit for just in case. We carry one suit for just in case.
Just in case. We have like 2-3. I'm like, babe, we brought us this stuff. We never ever use it.
We have a little knapsack, right?
Yeah.
I have my work things. We have work clothes in there. Other things for work. Plus my clothes that we need.
Yeah.
For the day or the 2 day, right? My babes have a suitcase, a handbag, and babes.
Yes,
I swear we're booking.
Yes, we're booking for the weekend. We're
booking for the whole week.
We're booking like Holiday Express. Yes, yes.
It's live. This is what happened.
Yeah, it's normal.
My wife's gonna change 5 times tonight. That's how hot the party is. Hold on, so you tell the way. You know what I mean?
No, need to go on better. What is this?
It's true not on the vlog, babes.
No, I'm upset, bad. What you? Why them Birkins so nice?
Lavish.
Like proper design.
What is this?
Lavish.
What sort of going with things, man?
I'm not trying to say this is the place to be, babes.
We're in the famous Morley. Oh, they don't even have the Morley sign in here. Oh, they got it on here. I'm gonna have mollies for the first time. Yeah, I've never had mollies before. So you're gonna get a first time review of how mollies taste. Yeah. Say hi, Elijah.
Hello. You alright, guys?
Elijah knows about.
Yeah. Good ones.
That's all type of shops.
So a big tip for you to do that.
Oh really?
Yeah, usually I just get.
No, you are going from the bottom, man.
Even when we want to buy anything, you look at the ones in front.
See, summer, beer things in my buy, so I'm like jerk or something like that.
Oh, yeah. Usually she will check the ones in front, and when she wants to take it, she'll take the one from the back.
Have to.
Hello, babe. You want anything else? Other than the more fries, innit?
So we've got a Norwegian fat fish right here. Toussy gonna cook that real nice.
Shopping with the lads. Come on.
Come on.
You want any juice you want?
Toussy likes orange juice.
I like this guy.
Yeah, what you say, babe?
You should get it from that section.
There's a big one, no?
You're right.
You
Come
want
on.
some bibs?
Toussy, just take the big one because you're knowing you. This is this
If
guy.
this is what you like, just take it. Just. Bro, oh dear, why you have to like?
Why you say take more? Why you say take more?
Yeah, what to know?
What?
This is one is gonna last in your weekend, is it?
Of course, one.
No, it's okay. 2 will last.
Is it?
Oh, do you not have chance? So we're going to go to the checkout. I mean the whole shop, like the whole shop, you know? I like me the whole shop. What else do I want? You hear that question? Do you hear that question, Toussy? What else do we want? That's a very dangerous question in the Black Woman's book, you know, Elijah. I mean. Boy. Good boy.
Can't go yet.
Home time now? Home time now?
Yeah, tied.
Yes.
Guess what? A braffing stand. While I'm nothing already.
Going to see my baby girl. Let's go. Let's go. Look at all of our little treats.
I'm going to the back. Try the back. See the back, yeah?
And more's in the bag. Absolutely love the kitchen. It's just so spacey. Like, wow, honey.
Babe, sorry, there's no sheets. Both of them are closed. So, hush.
This is so lovely. And look at the nice settee.
So what?
You can just like cuddle up. Okay. We have Aria. I'm gonna enjoy. Jesus, look how many people them uniform. I've got change. I'm gonna enjoy this weekend. So excited. Look how many awesome.
Why is coming?
Yes, don't video me. Just get an exercise, yeah?
Oh yeah, let me show you.
I know you're not prepared. I just wanna. Yes, babes! And that's just in the kitchen. But me have to dry out. Not my loving babes, but people. A long time when I see this. But I love her same way. Yes, and she's watching some live. We have the cola champagne. We have the fruit basket. We have the Indomie. Yes, talk true. We have the table salt. We have everything. We even have orange juice and water. And there's the man of the house. Yes, we have M&M's. Oh, the most jealous. Could they even have the what's this? What is this? Can I even pronounce this? Conor. We even have Conor. We know about Conor seasoning.
Conor, you go.
Conor. How do you pronounce Oh, sorry, Nor. I know about Nor seasoning. Yeah. Blood life is very nosy. Got the curry chicken there. Yes. I got the rice pot over there. Yes. And Anaska is chefing it up. You're supposed to see the chef tomorrow. When she's appropriately dressed. You understand? Yeah. Look, hello, bubble, together. Hey, what's that?
Everything are gonna make sense soon. Everything are gonna make sense.
She shame you. You get shame. You get shame. Look there. One time Alaska come here and she fixes something. One time. Oh God, Elijah, no man.
What you can do without them?
She beat her bad. Yes, wife, yeah, you name wife. Where I go? Wait, come here. Come here. May I come after you? You need to learn how to relax.
Yeah, run.
She needs to run. Hello, young girl. Alaska, where you gone? Bathroom? No. You're in the bathroom. No. The curry don't agree with you? Why wrong with you, Alaska? Eh? Yeah, I found what? No, man, me not put it on the vlog, baby. Oh, God. No, man, it upon me. Oh, God, no, man, me not answer. Oh, God, no. No, man, me not say so. I would never. Eh? No, man, me not show you, trust me. I mean,
nobody can stand me.
Me I cut that out.
Nobody can stand me.
Right?
I mean, Toussy when you come here.
When you what?
Huh?
When you what? What you yam?
She just gets it.
I might leave that bit in.
Wait.
You ready to watch Twilight? I wanna watch. I don't know where I'm yam. Young man, what you eat? Look how the oil I pour through my pores.
And as you see in life, us as gentlemen and as husband, we don't ask for much in life. You understand?
Sorry, I'll cut that bit out.
Yo, in the car, mine's in this. I ain't trying to be, I'm trying to get my drink on. And my diamonds, my fitted in my
cards on?
I'm gonna pick it at the bar till it's time to go. And I'm gonna get shorty in and I'm gonna let her know.
Damn, baby, you don't need this a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to get a touch a little bit.
You're nasty. He's so nasty. Hello, harassment.
Daddy can't wake up 8 o'clock in the morning. Your dog got daddy to wake up like, what time you want to wake up?
8 o'clock.
Your dog got daddy to wake up like 2 o'clock in the morning. That's good for me.
In the afternoon.
I'm not a morning.
Oh, do you got a cup of tea, love? Do you got any teas,
MiJulsz.
like tea bags?
Toussy fam. Guess what? We don't even start referring to the
I like
as
some
Toussy
green
fam.
tea, you know. You know, since
Because
I've
I'm
been
not,
dieting, right?
I'm not up before 2 o'clock in the morning.
Peppermint tea, and it's really been helping.
I'm not good before 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
I'm preferably, I'm good at 2 o'clock.
That's how you get rid of the fat,
I'm not a
you know.
morning
I kid
person.
you not, it makes you pee.
Why
it
if it
makes you
different?
shit.
Yeah, I know it makes me feel a lot.
Sorry, Elijah. My mouth's quite raw.
You know what? We serve that what?
Oh, okay. Yes.
Elijah, your way you say stay there.
You have to go to the toilet, you know, to lose weight. But if the poo don't come out, that's what makes you feel. Sorry. Sorry, MiJulsz, but I had to be real, like, you know, you got to shit in order to lose weight.
Yeah,
like,
but you can cut sign part down.
tell him again, tell him why I'm a
You
brethren.
can cut sign part. You can just go and do what you want to do.
Alright, but
And
you make
afterward,
a brother,
you
tell
cut
him.
it off. You see me, I said?
Ah! He said yes, you and me, I said. You understand?
Irish, that's an Irish at wolf.
Hello, please, sir. You can hurry up, sir.
even know what we're
Sir, excuse you, sir.
No.
Ooh,
You can please pause. Not Elijah.
Oh, sorry.
What you? I saw you clean it up quick, bossy. What? I see.
There's more to full body picture like you
Me can see. Yes, to see. I see you. To all the social media. To all the social media. Social media. Business. Oh, it's business. Oh, it is business. Eh, they're making money. Eh.
We show.
Me like it.
My brother, do you want to see what business is like in the UK?
Hey, do you
I got
want
my-
to get the proper African accent?
Hey, there it is.
You want to get
Hey,
the
had enough.
strong, punchy ones? Eh?
Hey.
When we say the proper Nigerian accent in the UK, you know when they say just touch down in the UK. Mhm.
My brother,
You know, you look in the YouTube channel as
you just witnessed
that one.
the proper matter.
I'm dying. Knock me back. Knock me back.
Babes, you're not my back, babes, and I say work.
Knock me back.
Babes, the bumbo clat, and I say work. Me bumbo.
I said, knock me back and you're not him.
That was good one, Elijah. You know, knock me back for me.
Bumbo clat, babes, and I say work, babes. You can't knock my back.
Stop.
If you
You
ask me,
knock my back then. Gosh. Look how, if you ever knock me back.
babes, you can't fight me.
But you are saying knock me back and now you are knocking.
Not so hard. No, your hand them just so tough and heavy. Just move. Move your hands up.
My brother, did you just see what has happened?
Anywho,
I got my
I think
African
we
brother
should
to
watch
testify.
Twilight. Alright, baby. Thank you, baby. My lovely Julz. See you later.
Ava.
Au revoir. You are so... Listen. The fact that I've got evidence of you doing that, yeah? Watch me and you. Yeah? You was in some shit and you never know it. Yeah? How dare you try to wipe up my makeup on camera? What makes you think that's okay? Like, what makes you think that's okay? Whatever. Excuse you. Pause. Yeah, whatever. You know what I mean? Like, who gives him the right, mate?
Ciao.
Stay over there.
Bella Fica.
Are you back to you too?
You know what that means? Bella Fica.
Benefica.
Bella Fica.
Bena.
Yeah. Type it on YouTube.
No mix me.
Good.
Thank you, Naska. Don't follow him and them troublesome ways.
Right.
What, that Portuguese?
No, it's Italian.
Oh, is it?
Baby. Benefica.
I don't know what that means.
No puta.
I ain't your bitch.
Oh, stop put on.
I ain't your bitch.
Ah, you see
You
what
see
that was
what?
it? You see
I
what?
ain't your bitch.
What?
I ain't your bitch.
Me just prove up.
You the put. I ain't your bitch.
Just prove up. What I know?
Cheeky. It's cheeky.
I'm just not understand what me say. Me put up. I ain't your bitch. I ain't your bitch. I should go on vlog for your channel. You know what? She's beautiful. She don't understand what I say. She call her a bitch. Oh, I ain't your bitch. I ain't your bitch.
But you can
But
understand
she can
that.
understand if I call if I say she's beautiful or anything complimentary. This what you trying to say? You disrespecting me? Call him a put. I ain't your bitch.
But it's a lie though. I ain't your bitch.
Come and tell you me muy caliente.
Back to you too.
Back to me too. My baby, you're beautiful and hot.
Benefica City.
Ah, well.
You know that parish? You know that parish dresser? How about them come from?
Wait, Delaware City is a parish now?
Eh?
Man never said
My
that.
papa Nigerian and my mama Jamaican.
Boy, yo.
So me, mixed.
You're mixed. What you
No,
mixed
well,
with?
Sir,
What you mixed with?
I'm half Nigerian, half Jamaican.
Go
We say
on.
Mama and Papa born in Jamaica.
No,
Papa
yeah, his
Nigerian,
papa's Nigerian and his mama's
my
Jamaican.
mama half Jamaican.
Half Jamaican.
Oh, half Jamaican.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
So you're a 3/4 Nigerian.
yeah,
You're only quarter Jamaican.
yeah.
Where in Jamaica, your mother from?
Spanish Town,
Which part of Spanish town?
I come from.
St. Catherine.
That's the capital. Well, that's the
That's the
parish.
Oh, De La Vega City.
Which part of them?
You sure? That's where she's from. Yeah?
Sydenham.
That's where
You're
she's from.
confused?
Yeah, me there at the other side of the wall, so we never see each other until we reach the
What wall?
No, you know, say one street there over here and one over there, but they never connect.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't live our own life over there, they might live their life over
Right.